Hey guys, I'm Oliver. Today I'm gonna review the FeiyuTech G6 Plus. This gimbal is the perfect choice if you want something very small and portable for carrying your Sony RX100 Mark IV. Before testing it, let's have a look to the main features of this product. You need approximately 5 minutes to set the gimbal balance right. You can find several tutorials on YouTube on how to balance your gimbal. Make sure your Sony has the lens open while you turn on the gimbal. A feature that I like is the multifunction knob. You can control the different axes of the gimbal. Simply press it to go through the various modes: tilt, roll and pan. On the front side we find additional buttons to control the roll and change the operation mode. Now let's see how to use the Feiyu app to optimize the sound parameter. My Sony RX100 is very light and the automatic settings is not always perfect. To solve the problem, just enter the settings and manually reduce the parameters until the vibration stops. It is also convenient to set the smooth mode preset to make the response softer. The G6 Plus can be connected to a compatible camera with Wi-Fi in order to be able to control it. Sony RX100 can be connected using the smart remote app. Be reminded that the Wi-Fi connection consumes more battery and the features are limited to the simple rec stop and zoom controls. Personally, I don't see any great benefit for using this in a professional way. A very interesting functionality is the auto rotation mode. Just activate it by pressing 4 times the mode button, then set the start and the end point of the movement. The duration of the movement can be changed within the app. We are in London, it is a beautiful day. Let's go around Notting Hill and see how this gimbal will perform. Let's go! A small gimbal is more sensitive than a larger product. This requires more attention when moving. Every single movement or vibration is perceived more. Except for the small tweaks I showed at the beginning, I want to show the behavior of this product out of the box. On simple movements the gimbal performs very well, while when trying to combine the movements of several axes, it's not always possible to obtain a fluid result. To make the test more real, I deactivated the stabilization function of my Sony RX100. A lightweight gimbal can be mounted on a monopod, and the results are very interesting. I'm on the side of the River Thames with my friends. I'd love to see how they get on with it. Have you never tested a gimbal before? It's the first time that is trying this product. I'd love to see how the gimbal will react in the hands of someone that is not a professional. So guys, I hope you loved this review of the FeiyuTech G6 Plus. This gimbal is the perfect choice if you're looking for something that is reliable and capable to carry your Sony RX100 Mark IV. In my opinion, the product is almost perfect. There are some minor things that need to be improved. I hope that FeiyuTech will release a new firmware update. First of all is the connection between the camera and the gimbal that sometimes doesn't look very stable, and the lack of follow focus functionality on Sony camera. So FeiyuTech, please find a way to add this feature because in my opinion will be the game changer for this kind of product. Guys, if you have any question or need update, please leave a comment in the box below and don't forget to subscribe. Ciao!